Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically apply two different shape masks on CapCut PC. Select your picture or video, go to mask. For instance, I want the circle one and I want the heart shape inside. So select the circle one first, or any shape you'd like. Right click, create compound clip, and then select your second shape and then just press reverse and you'll have I guess two masks, like two different shape masks in one video or photo. So it's going to do that, and it's going to feather that out a little bit. And here you can move it up, and you can even like add an image or a video or photo. So it looks like there's like a frame, and don't forget to mask this as well, like that. Well, it's not to be accurate. And that is it. You can add in like a shadow so the colors don't clash as much. I'm trying to find here it is. I'm going to select the heart shape one and I'm going to reverse it. And I'm going to feather out just a little bit to create a shadow. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. I think that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.